Now I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and right now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to prime my lids before I apply my eyeshadow. Some people use actual primer, I just use concealer. To each his own, you feel me? And that's just my e.l.f. face primer. But anyways, I'm blending that out. You want to make sure it's all even and blended because you want an even base before you start putting on eyeshadow. And I bake it so that the concealer does not shift and like mess up my application of my eyeshadow, if you get what I'm saying, you know. And now I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just using my yellow eyeshadows. There's only like 2 in the whole palette, so yeah. But any yellow you have should be fine. And I'm just blending that out. Blend it right there above the crease. And you just want to keep blending until you get a color payoff. For darker skin women, it's going to take a longer time. That's why I conceal with such a light shade, so the color pops up more on my eyelids. And after it's blended in, you have the payoff you want. I went in with the color orange from the palette, and you just want to blend that into the crease. Orange is going to be your crease color, and you just want to keep blending that in, okay? And now I'm going in with the red, you know, because we're going for that sunset look, so we want to have that gradient effect. You feel me? You get me? Okay. So yeah, and my technique is I just pack on the color, and after I pack it on, that's when I start to blend it out. So yeah, baby, bling. That's all I can tell you. Now I'm going in with brown, and that is my Friendcation palette. Friendcation, by the way. I'm just applying the brown. You don't want to apply too much brown because brown is a dark color and it can really mess up the look or take over the whole look. So yeah, you want to be careful when using brown and black. That's something I had to learn the hard way. You just want to blend that brown out. You don't want any harsh lines within your eyeshadow. You want everything to kind of blend. I haven't quite perfected that yet, but you guys, we're all a work in progress, you know? So yeah, just blend it. And now I'm going in with black, and I'm just putting a little black around the edge of the brown in order to make it deeper and to make that like cut crease, but not a cut crease, like to make that pop more of that line. And I'm just gonna blend that out afterwards. But eyeshadow is something that really takes practice. You just have to keep practicing. Like, you're not gonna just watch one tutorial, and you might, if God bless you with that gift, you might be able to, but it's something that really takes practice. And over time, you just get better and better. And girl, I know my wig might be a little distracting, but baby, I didn't actually put it on. I just have it sit on top of my head, as you can tell. So ignore that. And I'm just going back in with the yellow, because sometimes when you add other colors, the first color starts to get a little washed out. So I'm just adding in more yellow because I want it to pop, and then I'm adding in more orange. Sorry, my phone doesn't ring until I'm recording a video, I swear. But yes, just pack on that color. And this is basically the finished eyeshadow. we have our sunset. And off camera, I applied a lash. And now I'm going to apply the other one. Oh no, actually, I'm going to go in first with my e.l.f. eyeliner. And I'm just putting a line of eyeliner. I'm not doing a whole wing or anything today because sometimes you just don't need all of that, okay? And I don't want the eyeliner to like take away from the eyeshadow look itself. So I'm just going in with like, you know, black line of eyeliner. And I've been playing around with like the camera, so every time I record a video, the angle might be a little different because I'm just trying to figure out the best angle for you guys to watch from when I'm recording. So it's just trial and error, so please bear with me. And yeah, that lash was trying to fly away, but we cannot have that, okay? You can't be out here with your lashes falling off. That's not cute. I use hair glue instead of lash glue. I don't know, it just works for me. I've never had an issue with it, and I don't have an issue when I'm taking off my lashes. It's just what I prefer. So whatever you have, use. I might tell you to use hair glue because it might not, you know. I'm not trying to take off your lashes. But before I apply that lash, and while that lash is drying, I'm just applying some mascara. I know some people say don't use hair glue, like that's not good, but I don't know, it works good for me, so to each its own. I was listening to music while recording this, so yeah. This is why it takes me forever to get done getting ready, because I just be fooling around. It's not quite tacky enough. You want to make sure that eyelash is tacky before you apply it, okay? And I'm not a pro at applying lashes. I literally just learned because I know my friends got tired of me asking for them to put on my lashes every time we would go out. But yeah. And when I apply my lashes, I try to get the middle on there first, and then after the middle is on, press down the edges. The ends of the lash. And you don't want to put the lash up too high because you're going to have that big black strap on your eyelid and it's going to make your look crazy. I made that mistake once before and that looks crazy, okay? So now we're moving on to the face, and I have an in-depth video on my face routine, basically what foundation I use, my concealer, how I put everything on. And this is just me trying to do my makeup, and the universe, I don't know, just will not let me be great. I can never do my makeup without making a mess. I swear, bro. But yeah, that's it for this video. Peace out, y'all. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. that glow though? Really, do you see that makeup? Do you see that finish? Baby, okay? I'm telling y'all, don't be sleeping on me. Do not. Look at that highlight, baby. Okay, I want all of us to be out here popping and looking good, okay? But until next time, guys and girls, bye.